If you want to know how to edit your Notebook LM slides, stay with me. A lot of people have been asking, how do I remove the logo here in my PDF slide from the Notebook LM? Or how do I edit the text? How do I add my own text? Or how do I remove any of the text in the slides? This is what we want to do today. There is no doubt, I've been saying this all along, that Notebook LM is my favorite, when it comes to creation of slides. But the problem is you can't really edit the slides at the moment directly from Notebook LM. When you create your powerful slides and you download it, it comes out in PDF version. So how do we edit this out? So this has been done already, and you want to download it. You've downloaded it on your computer system as a PDF file. So the next thing we want to do is we want to use Canva to do the editing. So you can just go to Google and search for PDF to PPT Canva. Then you will see this URL here. So if you click on this URL, it takes you to Canva, where you will be asked to do what? To upload your PDF to a PPT converter. So I already have the file downloaded. Let me just bring the file in. This is the file here, the physical global. So you want to upload the file to Canva, and then you have this. So the file has been uploaded here already. Look at it, the PDF. Let's go back here and check. Look at the PDF from Notebook LM, and we've now, uploaded it inside Canva. I still cannot edit this because it comes up like an image, so I can't really edit it. So what do I do? From here, you do it page by page, slide by slide. So you select the first slide and look at the edit button here. So you click on the edit button, and then you come straight to where you have the Magic Studio. In the Magic Studio, we are looking for this grab text. So if you click on the grab text, look at what's happening now. It's trying to isolate the text from the background. So it's already saying, you know what, I'm isolating the click, but I want all the text on the page to be isolated. Then you want to grab it. By grabbing it, all the texts on that page will now be editable. So it's trying to grab the text. Once that is done, then I can edit the text. I can remove whatever I want to remove from the page. I can, add my own. So now we've grabbed the text. Take a look at what's happening here. Boom. So if I want to say, electric vehicle paradigm, or I want to come down here and say, I don't want this last phrase, or I want to come down to where we have the Notebook LM, I want to delete it. I'm done with page one. Then I can scroll down again, select page two, and click on edit again. And then you want to also go back to the grab text, grab all the text, and then you edit. So this way, your Notebook LM slides becomes editable. So you can really come in here and say, you know what, I don't want it to be the new, the modern vocabulary of energy. So you can now edit the text and remove, of course, the logo that is there, even if that's the only thing you just want to remove. So you do this over and over, and when you're done, you can then come back here and download your slides. So you can either download it back in your PDF, or you want to download it in PowerPoint and still continue to edit your file. So this way you can edit your Notebook LM. Maybe you are out there, you're still thinking, what's all this noise about the Notebook LM? Notebook LM is one powerful tool from Google that you can add a lot of sources and begin to prompt your sources here. So if you launch a blank Notebook LM, no, let me go back and just say I want to create a notebook. When you click on create a notebook, you can add your sources from the web. In fact, if you're adding from the web, you can either choose the fast research or the deep research. The deep research, from the name deep research, will help you do an in-depth report and results. In fact, it's going to list out the cited sources and uncited sources for you. So in case you're writing a dissertation or a journal and you want to only focus on cited sources, you can just check it out here and type what you're looking for and add the sources there. You can upload the files. If you have PDF files on your computer system and you want to add it to your sources, you can do that from here. If you have list of websites or YouTube that you want to consult in your sources, you can list out the URLs there and add them in. If you also want to add the source from your drive, you can add it. If you want to copy the text probably from your, documents in your Microsoft Word, you can copy the text and paste the text here. Once you have all your sources in, let me just upload one file here as an example. So I want to upload maybe the same document I just worked with. I want to upload it here as a PDF. So once you upload the file here, then you can begin to write prompt to query or get information from your sources. This way, it's not going to hallucinate. It will not just go outside your sources there. And a lot of people will not do the next thing that I want to do now. They just go straight and start asking it questions there. But take a look at what you have here. Configure notebook. If you go to configure notebook, this is where you can, add your own prompt, like your custom prompt. By default, it's going to be on default. So you can switch to learning guide. You can also choose custom. If you change it to custom, this is where your prompting skill comes in. So you want to say, oh, act as um, a teacher who is trying to create content, curriculum for students. So you still want to write your custom prompt here, so that when you are now, writing prompts here to get information from your sources, it could be 10, it could be 20. On the free plan, you can add up to 50 different sources. So when you now ask the questions, it's going to use your custom prompt to respond. And this is where the magic happens. This is where you can convert it to audio, to video. I mean your content to audio, to video, to mind map, to report, to flashcard, to quiz, to infographics, to slide decks, to data table. So if you want it in slide deck, you come in here and create the slide deck. And once you have the slide deck, download it in PDF, take it to Canva, PDF to PPT, and then you use the grab text to edit the text. You can go ahead and try this, and let me see, let me hear your comments, and let me see what you think about the whole process. You can drop it in the chat.